Welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to review top 3 favorite mechanical keyboards. Before starting the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Our first product is Drop Control Mechanical Keyboard, 10 keyless TKL, 87 key, gaming keyboard. To put it simply, the Control Mechanical Keyboard has it all. Constructed with a solid aluminum frame with a built-in switch plate, it's stable and fortified. And thanks to the hot swap switch sockets, it allows you to change switches whenever you want with no soldering required. It's also fully programmable via QMK, meaning you can assign macros or custom keybinds to every key. With dual USB-C connectors, the control is outfitted with the fastest available connections. Aesthetically, the keyboard is equally impressive. Featuring customizable RGB backlighting and underlighting, it puts on a colorful show, or you can set it to a single color for a more subtle look. The shine-through PBT keycaps only enhance the performance. What's more, the keyboard comes with your choice of switches, so you can get just the feel you like, whether you prefer something heavy and tactile or lightweight and linear. Customizing your keyboard is a lot of fun. Our second product is Keychron C1 Wired Mechanical Keyboard. Wired Mechanical Keyboard. The Keychron C1 is a TKL layout, 87 key, non-backlight wired mechanical keyboard engineered to maximize your productivity with most popular 10 keyless layout. With a unique Mac layout, the C1 has all the necessary multimedia and function keys while still being compatible with Windows laptop or PC with a reliable Type-C cable. Keychron Mechanical Blue Switch. Given that 2 ± 0.4 mm pre-travel and 60 ± 10 GF operating force, the Keychron Mechanical Blue Switch feature unrivaled clicky responsiveness and up to 50 million keystroke lifespan. For Mac and Windows. With a unique Mac layout and Windows compatibility, the C1 is offering convenient accessibility to all the essential multimedia and function keys in a smaller footprint. Extra keycaps for both Mac and Windows operating systems are included. USB Type-C wired mode. With an easy and reliable USB Type-C connection, the C1 is best to fit home, office and light gaming use while connecting with your laptop or PC. Our third product is Keychron C2 Full-Size Wired Mechanical Keyboard. Full-size 104 keys wired mechanical keyboard. The Keychron C2 is a full-size layout, 104 key, wired mechanical keyboard engineered for Mac and Windows. With a unique Mac layout, the C2 has all the necessary multimedia and function keys with a reliable Type-C cable. Keychron Blue Switch. The pre-installed Keychron Blue Switch provides unrivaled tactile responsiveness on the linear switch clicky switch with a durable 50 million keystroke lifespan. For Mac and Windows. With a unique Mac layout and Windows compatibility, the C2 is offering convenient accessibility to all the essential multimedia and function keys with number pad included. Extra keycaps for both Mac and Windows operating systems are included. Reliable connection. Designed with reliability in mind, the C2 comes with USB Type-C wired connection with a braid cable, ensures a constant power supply, and best to fit home and light gaming.